and run the Android application on your window. So running the Android application on your window, you need to download some software program for it. So that name is BlueStack, and you can see here I have downloaded it already. So I will show you the downloading process, that how to download the BlueStack. So guys, first of all, open any web browser. I will open here Chrome and type here Get Into PC. Okay. After that, you can see the first website, Get Into PC, download free your desired app. This is the official website of the Get Into PC, and you need to select it and open it. So guys, Get Into PC website has been opened here, and it is the official website of the Get Into PC, and you can find here a lot of software for the window. Okay, so this is the website of the Get Into PC, and you can see here search website at the right side. Okay, and you need to type your BlueStack and click on the go. You can see here search result for BlueStack is 17. So guys, and you can see the BlueStack uploaded over this website, and I will recommend you to download the latest version and BlueStack 2020 free download. This is the latest version which was uploaded before 11 months ago. So guys, this is the latest version of the BlueStack uploaded in this website, so we will download it. So for downloading it, click in this option here, and after that BlueStack details has been opened here. Overview of the BlueStack is given here, you can read here, and features of BlueStack is also given here. So, and similarly system requirement for BlueStack 2020, that what the system require for running this BlueStack in your Windows, it is also given here, you can read here. Okay, so leave it and remember this password, that is 123. Okay, this is the password that you should remember to extract the files after downloading it. Okay, so I will remember the password, that is 123, and you can see here download full setup of the BlueStack. So you need to download it here, click on here, you can see the size 1.1 GB and click on that option. Then you can see your request search will be granted from Linux server. Our request will be submitted and we will be able to download it very soon. So guys, you can see our downloading process has been started over here. So guys, I will stop it here because I have already downloaded it. So I will cancel it here. So guys, you can see I have already downloaded it, and after downloading, this type of file will be here in a desktop if you will save the file in the desktop. Okay, and after you need to extract the files here. For extracting, how should you do? Click on the right option, and after that you can see extract here option. So press on that, and you can see the password, that is 123, and you need to type the same password that I will still to remember you. Okay, and after that click on the OK. So guys, I have already extracted here, so it is asking for this, but I will not replace it because I have downloaded some application in this BlueStack, and if I will replace it, then I need to download it again. So I will not do it again. So guys, this was the process, and after that your process will be started, and at last you can see the two options of BlueStack. So, and you can access the BlueStack through this first link, first application. So this was the full process of downloading the BlueStack, and I will open it here and I will show you that how you can run the Android applications. So guys, this was the downloading process. It is very easier, you can download it yourself. So it will take some time to start. We will wait for it. So guys, it has been opened here. So guys, you can see here My Games means the app that you have downloaded. So this is the some apps that I have downloaded it in the beginning, and you can also see Google Play Store here. So by pressing on the Google Play Store, you can download any apps that you require. So any app that you require, you can download it from here. Okay, it is a Google Play Store. Okay, and in the same way you can run the Android application in this BlueStack. Okay, So this was the full process, and thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.